playing with numbers. Now this chapter is not about learning, rather more about having fun with maths. Now see, in this chapter we will be doing basically 3 types of questions. In the first type, or in the first part of the chapter, we are going to do represent rather the numbers in general form. The general form that you all are very much familiar already. The second part will be going to deal with using this general form in solving the number games we are going to play. Trust me, you are going to love these number games once you learn them, right? And the third and final part of the chapter will be going to deal with the test of divisibility. In this particular topic, I want you to pay more attention because this chapter is going to come of a great help in other questions also. See, for example, when there are sometimes number that you come across, say 3-digit or 4-digit numbers, which you are not familiar, that are they going to be divisible by 3, are they divisible by 4 or 9 or not, right? So for those kind of problems you can get help from particularly this topic. So the 3 parts of this chapter we will be dealing with are expressing the numbers in general form, using the general form in solving number games, and the third will be test of divisibility.